Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Builds. As you guys may notice, Seth isn't here. He's away on vacation. So it's gonna be me and Bernard taking over the show for for the next 2 episodes. We're still got a lot of work to do on the K-Swap giveaway build, so we're gonna keep cracking away. So get ready for the next episode. So on today's episode, we're finishing up putting the suspension back together that we got cleaned up and sandblasted and painted by Seth. Before he left, we had to make him do a little bit of work before he goes and have some fun. So we're gonna finish that, get the car rolling today, and hopefully get it out and power wash the engine bay up, clean it up, and get the mounts in. Get it ready for the motor to go in and keep it moving. Stay tuned. Well, we broke a bolt inside the rusty rear suspension, so we're gonna do some modifying and we're gonna cut it out. Probably gonna have to get new rear arms anyway, because it seems like the bolt is somehow seized in the arm. So we're gonna grind it off, and we're not using this suspension anymore, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna try and get this out. There you go. Finally have the rear coil out, and we actually didn't destroy it, so it is actually reusable, and hopefully we don't have to grind this one out. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know. We're just gonna spray PV blaster on some of these bolts, because as you guys can tell, we're having some trouble with them. But we're getting there. We're gonna put a little bit of heat on it, heat it up. Hopefully it will help let that bolt come out. Make sure you don't burn your car down. And that is out. Got the suspension back on, wrapped up, just enough to get the wheels on and get the car rollable so we can roll it out and power wash the bay, get the mounts in. Let's keep going, get it ready for the motor. After we do all that, and we gotta clean up get us some of this wiring that we don't need out of here. We'll keep rolling. All right, now we're gonna power wash the bay. Now that we got it back rolling, clean everything up in here, get it ready for the mounts and everything, get it prepped up. You know, with the motor out, it makes it the easiest to do it. Might as well, the car sat for a while. As you can see, it's really dirty. We're gonna spray some degreaser on it and let it soak up for a few, and then just power wash it out. cleaned up the bay, we washed it up. Again, it looks way better than it was. We used a little bit of just basic degreaser and a little scrub brush. We're gonna mount up the mounts, make sure they fit all in spots where they're supposed to go, and remove some of this wiring out, this original wiring, because we don't need it anymore. With the K-Series setup, we're gonna use the K-Series engine harness, adapted to the EK chassis. We're gonna keep going. So that's the mounts mocked up. We just mocked it up just to see, make sure everything bolts up where it should, everything's good to go. So again, we're gonna keep moving on. I'll take out the brackets and stuff just to get it out the way. We just wanna make sure everything's mocking up and fitting right. We're gonna move on to the wiring next, get all this wiring out of here that we're not gonna be using anymore. On this episode, we cleaned up the engine bay. I just washed it out. Got it ready. We installed all the motor mounts as you guys saw. We wrapped up the suspension. Ran into a little bit of issues there. And you know, the car sat for a while, so there's a lot of rusty bolts and stuff snapping. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to get entered to win the K-Swap giveaway when we're done with it. This car's coming out awesome. First link in the description, simplebills.shop. Every $1 spent gets you one entry. To Smpl Motor Club members, they get an automatic 400 entries. Thank you guys again. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.
So,
Bloopers!
don't forget, this car is out on a club.